Are you making these meta ad mistakes? Meta ads can be a powerful way to grow your business, but only if they're done right. Hi, I'm Elliot Scatena, PPC team leader, and today I'll take you through 5 of the most frequent mistakes that I see and how you can fix them. Mistake number 1, you're over-relying on boosted posts. Are you relying on post boosting as part of your strategy? This is great for quick visibility, but it's not an effective way for you to run ads. While post boosting is very easy to use, it lacks the advanced targeting, bidding, and optimization capabilities that Meta's full ad manager has. If you want to use an existing organic post for your ads, this can still be done on Ads Manager with a whole host of targeting capabilities. So in short, scrap the boosted posts if you're looking to seriously advertise across Meta. Mistake number 2, no clear campaign objective. Selecting the wrong campaign objective or not really understanding what the objective is designed to do is a really common mistake that I see. Make sure your campaign objectives match your business goals. If you're ever unsure, I'd recommend working backwards. So for example, if your goal is sales, create a campaign with the sales objective. And if your goal is to boost brand visibility, create a secondary campaign with the traffic objective to run alongside your sales funnel. Mistake number 3, missing your target audience. So you've set up your campaign with the right objective and you've got brilliant ad copy, but no one's clicking through to your website. Common audience targeting issues include overly broad audiences, extremely narrow audiences, or not using lookalike and custom audiences. If you're seeing these issues, it might be time to take a step back and reconsider who is seeing your ad. I'd recommend using layered targeting when creating a saved audience. Combining demographics, interests, and behaviors is a smarter way to reach your target audience. And in some instances, I'd even recommend refreshing your audiences semi-regularly, especially for the more niche businesses that have a smaller audience. Mistake number 4, poor ad creative. What if you have your target audience nailed, but you're still not seeing clicks? Time for you to take a look at your ads. Do they grab the audience's attention? For effective creative, you need eye-catching visuals and a clear, captivating message. Be prepared to invest in your visuals. Using basic product images and videos will only take you so far. Building trust and recognition from your brands and ads will come from sleek photography and video, relatable testimonial videos, or emotional storytelling. Show your audience who you are and why they should care. Finally, mistake number 5, your budget is too low. If you're new to advertising, you might consider casting the net far and wide to cover as many people as possible through your ad sets. However, if you want to test a number of audiences or products via separate ad sets and campaigns, then you may be at risk of spreading your budget too thin. When your campaigns start to run, they enter a learning phase, and in order to exit the learning phase, they require a good amount of data to pass through them. With a low budget, you may find your ad sets are not getting the data they need to pass this learning phase. If you do have a smaller budget, we'd recommend combining similar ad sets and consolidating your budget together. If you have lots of areas that you want to test, I'd recommend starting with fewer ad sets to give them as much budget as possible. In conclusion, Meta is a complex platform, and avoiding these common mistakes can help you drive better results and optimize your ad spend. I hope you found these tips useful, and be sure to check out my blog on this topic as it goes into much more detail. Just click the link in the description.